FINGATE. Launch of our official podcast and journey so far. Hi, I am Andrews C. John, founder of FINGATE, a boutique financial consultancy services firm in Bangalore to help you meet all your personal and business finance needs. After launching FINGATE 17 years ago in year 2006 and successfully helping thousands of customers, today I am extremely delighted to launch our official podcast to help educate and make people aware of the financial services domain so that they can take informed financial decisions going forward with clarity. Today, at this moment, I think it will be perfect to delve deep and reflect upon the past and also shed some light on the future plans of this eventful journey. What prompted me to start FINGATE? I was born and brought up and hail from a middle-class family from Kerala. While growing up in my childhood and teen years, I saw many setbacks and sufferings happening around me, both in my family and the society in general, due to lack of availability of finance on time. I saw people ending their education abruptly, holding back on building their dream houses and delaying their personal life goals and events due to lack of finance. I saw businesses closing down abruptly, struggling to break even and grow due to lack of finance and resources deployed on time. These all above events prompted me to think that there must be ways to reach and help these people and businesses, that I may do something and play my part and help them out. I developed a knack for finance and ultimately studied finance in detail while growing up. Subsequently, I took jobs with various banks and rose to the position of sales manager and served multiple banks throughout my professional career. After spending 15 plus years with various banks, I decided that I have gathered enough experience to start on my own and started FINGATE in 2006, initially as a loan consultancy firm. Today FINGATE is a service provider for all types of private and nationalized banks and NBFCs. How FINGATE differs from others? Our core mission from day one has been to adhere to humanity while serving people. We understood from day one that you are not just the customer or number for us, you are the very reason for which we exist. We always go the extra mile to meet customer needs. Be it doorstep service or sometimes traveling afar when the customer is outside his/her base location, we have done both, whenever needed, to make customers feel at ease. Sometimes, customers needed to be counseled or educated on the various banking and finance-related processes to empower them to make a wise, informed decision. We always strive to provide personalized services to customers based on their individual needs. In numerous occasions, we found businesses not aware of specific rules, laws and regulations while dealing with credit situations. We counsel and educate businesses as needed before initiating paperwork to save them from future repercussions arising out of a credit transaction with a financial institution due to lack of knowledge or awareness. What we've achieved so far at FINGATE. The greatest achievement of FINGATE so far, trust. Yes, winning people's love and trust is the most important asset that we think we have acquired in our journey of 17 years so far. We have brought smiles and happiness to the thousands of people and their respective families over the course of our journey of 17 years so far. Not only people and businesses come back to us as repeat customers, but they also brings to us new set of people and businesses as new customers via word-of-mouth referrals on a regular basis. On the flip side, we have won several awards, accolades, and certificates from various financial institutions and government bodies so far, recognizing our services and dedication to serve customers. What's the future looks like at FINGATE? After helping thousands of people and families in the urban setting, we now have a desire to enter serve and create impact to the people in the rural areas. We are planning to expand to rural areas by next 3 to 5 years. Also, we would like to expand beyond Bangalore and first enter into other cities in Karnataka and subsequently enter the states of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This we are looking to achieve by next 5 to 10 years. Our end goal is to reach and serve the people of the entire state of Kerala, which is also my native place. This will ensure we travel and reach the full circle of covering South India. We are looking to achieve this by next 10 to 15 years. Within my lifetime, I would like to leave a legacy at FINGATE for the next generation to look upon and follow. I want to see in my lifetime that the brand FINGATE is synonymous with people across the entire southern part of India. Mission of our official podcast at FINGATE. If you ask me, after serving thousands of people and getting regular word-of-mouth referrals on a continuous basis, there is no urgency for me to start this podcast. FINGATE can very well run even without depending on this podcast. But here comes the difference between us and others. I want to reach hundreds of thousands of people via this podcast and impact their lives by educating and empowering them to take informed financial decisions with full clarity. And I don't care how many of these people converts and becomes a FINGATE customer. That is not my goal with this podcast. By God's grace, we have been running successfully our operation for almost 2 decades now, and God willing, we will meet our future goals also in time, each and every time. Our end goal with this official FINGATE podcast is to give back to society and educate and empower the society in financial awareness and decision making. Jai Hind. Signing off. Yours truly, Andrews C. John.